Okay, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get VSCode installed. What VSCode is basically, it's an IDE, which means Integrated Development Environment. So this is something that you use instead of a normal text editor, and it gives you lots of features to develop your apps or web apps or anything you're trying to code, basically. And instead of using something like Notepad, which only gives you the feature of just writing text, VS Code can give you stuff like extensions to make writing code easier. It can give you boilerplates. It can give you syntax highlighting, so putting stuff in different colors, or maybe marking something red when it's an error or yellow when it's a warning, something like that. And I'm going to start with going to the official VS Code website. The website is code.visualstudio.com. What you can do is click this download for Windows button, and it should load, and you should save it in your downloads folder. When you have saved it and you found where you saved it, you should double click and it should start the installer. You accept the agreement. I would say create a desktop icon, leave all of this as ticked, go next, and then click install. I've already got it installed, so I don't need to. And then just come back to the tutorial when you're done. And yeah, that's done. That's all you need to install Visual Studio Code. You can look at the next episodes to go further.